Web hosting versus VPS-server, key differences explained for beginners. Web hosting is a service that allows individuals and organizations to post a website or web page onto the internet. A web host, or web hosting service provider, is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed on the internet. Websites are hosted, or stored, on special computers called servers. When internet users want to view your website, they type your website address or domain into their browser. Their computer will then connect to your server and your web pages will be delivered to them through the browser. Key features of web hosting. 1. Shared resources. In standard web hosting, your website resides on a server shared by other websites. The server's resources such as RAM, CPU, and disk space are shared among all the websites hosted on that server. 2. Cost effectiveness. Shared hosting is generally the most economical option for hosting a website. It's an excellent choice for small businesses, blogs, and personal websites with moderate traffic. 3. Management and maintenance. Web hosting providers handle server maintenance, including software installations, security updates, technical support, and more. This makes web hosting a hassle-free solution, especially for beginners or those not wishing to manage server-side issues. 4. Limited control. The trade-off for ease of use and affordability is less control. Users have limited access to server settings, and customization options are often restricted to what is offered by the hosting provider. Virtual Private Server, VPS. An introduction. A VPS is a step up from traditional web hosting. While you still share a server with other websites, a VPS provides a partitioned section of the server exclusively for your use. This means you get a dedicated portion of the server's resources such as CPU, memory, and storage space. Key features of VPS hosting. 1. Dedicated resources. Unlike shared hosting, the resources allocated to your VPS are yours alone. This results in improved performance and stability, especially for websites with higher traffic or more demanding applications. 2. Greater control and customization. With a VPS, you have root access to your environment. This allows for greater customization, including the installation of specific operating systems, software, and more. 3. Scalability. VPS hosting is highly scalable. As your website grows, you can easily upgrade your resources to accommodate increasing traffic and more complex site functionalities. 4. Cost consideration. While more expensive than shared web hosting, VPS hosting is generally less costly than dedicated hosting. It strikes a balance between cost and performance, making it suitable for medium-sized businesses, e-commerce sites, and larger blogs. Web hosting versus VPS, which one should you choose? The decision between web hosting and a VPS should be based on your specific needs. For small websites and blogs, if you are just starting out, have a limited budget, or run a small website with moderate traffic, traditional web hosting is likely sufficient. It's cost-effective and requires minimal technical knowledge. For growing businesses and high-traffic websites, if your website is growing, experiences high traffic, where you need more control over your hosting environment, a VPS is a better option. It offers improved performance, greater customization, and scalability. Conclusion. Choosing between web hosting and a VPS depends on your website's needs, your technical expertise, and your budget. For those just starting out or with basic needs, web hosting offers an affordable and user-friendly solution. For websites that are growing or have specific requirements, a VPS offers more power, control, and scalability.